Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will share about mastering the outline tool in Canva. First is how to outline a photo. For example, I will choose this photo. In case you want to outline one of this person, click the image and then go to edit and choose magic grab and then choose click and then click to the person that you want. For example, this man, and then click grab and then go to edit and choose shadow and then choose outline. Now it has an outline, and then you can change the color of the outline. So now you have it. The second is how to outline a vector graphic element. Go to element and then type here, for example, woman, CO on the graphic. For example, I will choose this one. So this is a vector that we can change the color. So if you want to change the color, first change the color here. For example, I will change the color of the hair with this black, and then click here again and go to edit and then choose shadow. Please watch this, that it still has an option to change color, but let's see after the picture is outlined. Choose the outline. Now the option to change color is gone. Okay, you can now change the color of the outline. For example, I will change to this orange or this yellow, and then you can adjust the size like that. But now we cannot change the color one by one. The third is how to outline a text. Type here a text, for example, just outline, go to effect and choose outline. And then you can change the color of the outline and also the size of the thickness. And if you want to change the color of the text, just go to here and then change the color of the text. So this is the tutorial of how to mastering the outline tool in Canva. See you next video and have fun with Canva.